Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the reply in its own window so you can edit everything. Click Reply or Reply All, then pop the message out if it opened inline. This exposes the full header. Once the reply window is separate, move your cursor to the subject line to check that it's editable. If you can't place the cursor there yet, make sure the message window has focus and is not in read-only mode before you proceed. Now you edit the subject to reflect the new focus or action. Click into the subject field, select unwanted text, and type your replacement. You can prepend tags like action or FYI so recipients see intent immediately. Make sure the subject remains concise, under about 60 characters, so it displays correctly on phones. Once you've typed the new subject, pause and reread it to ensure clarity, and that you haven't accidentally removed threading indicators you need. Finish by verifying recipients and message body, then click Send. The new subject will be used in the outgoing message. If you find the subject reverted to the original, make sure you edited the subject in the popped-out reply window rather than inline. Inline threads sometimes lock headers. If issues persist, save the message as a draft, close and restart Outlook, then reopen and reapply the subject edit before sending to ensure the change is retained.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.